do I have to? You know, I feel really bad that I have to come on TV and almost force people to make a comment about the need to investigate the role of Fayaz's parents or others, investigate the angle of love jihad. I have to force them. But do I have to force Abdul Razak Khan to talk about 4% Muslim reservations? No. On that he will talk very happily. Muslim reservation he'll talk. Love jihad angle he will not talk. Be sensible.
Please understand this.
No, I will not understand. I don't understand the selective approach. Are hate crimes against Hindus tolerable? Are hate crimes? Is this not a hate crime against a Hindu?
Does not have to learn from a BJP spokesperson. What he has
Madhu
to do.
is on the debate. Madhu.
They have formed a SIT. Let there be a probe.
For anyone to learn.
Probe say whether it was love or
Razak,
it
you are
was
a zero.
jihad
Who will listen
or it
to
was
you?
a criminal
You
murder.
keep murmuring, you keep
Whatever
talking.
it is,
You keep
the law
talking.
will take its own course. But why do politics on dead bodies? Why is Mr. Modi talking about
Sir,
Neha? Why
Sir,
cannot
Hindu
Mr.
women
Modi
are
talk
being
about
murdered.
Ainas,
Hindu
about
women are being
Rukhsana,
murdered.
about
Hindu women are being
Farida?
murdered.
Just
You
because
can
a
only
Muslim
think of
killed a
brothers.
Hindu girl.
Please think of our
How about
sisters
all those
also.
Muslim girls
Please think of our
who were
sisters
killed by
also.
Hindus?
What will happen to our
Who will
sisters?
speak for them? Why shouldn't Modi talk about my
You take
sisters?
You are in support
Why
of
shouldn't
some.
Modi
You
talk
are in
about
support of some
my
fringe
sisters?
elements. You please support the community at large. You please support the community at large.
Oh, please, please.
You are doing
please.
disgrace to
Those
this
who
nation.
politics
One
on
minute.
dead
Mohan
bodies.
is also on. Do you think that
Come
this
out
will
of
not
this,
have
people will not
an
vote
impact
you.
beyond Karnataka, that people watching the program will say
Arnab,
that
just
for
give me 10
the
seconds.
Congress party, hate crimes against Hindus seem to be par for the course. There is no anger. Oh, why do you want to talk about it? What is the big deal? Why should we talk about it? Let's discuss other issues. Let's
We
discuss the weather,
ourselves have
the El
condemned.
Nino effect, but
we
not
had
discuss.
invited the victim's father. Mr. Hiremet himself joined the protest. We at Anjuman Islam did all these things. We have made reservations that our lawyers will not fight his case. Even if he dies, he will not be allowed in our graveyards. Even if he comes on bail, he will not
Have
be allowed in our
you
locality.
investigated
We
and
want
interrogated
capital punishment for
Fayaz's
him.
family? Yes or no?
No, it is only for Fayaz family. You
That
are
is
right.
up to the police.
You are right.
They are
You are
doing
right,
their
Arnab.
job.
What up to the police? Who does the
Absolutely
police
right.
answer
Dance
to?
to what
Look at
RSS
that. Look at the
and
double
BJP
That means
standard.
you've not
say.
given them a free hand.
Look
The
at the double
investigation has to
standard
start by
of
interrogating
election
Fayaz's
judges.
family.
What the previous BJP government
Let me
did.
ask you a simple question.
This is
Who
what
has
Mohan
invaded
Krishna is on the debate. Back on the debate. Mohan Krishna, 3
Who is
minutes
invaded
left.
People
Mohan.
of Karnataka threw them out.
Who has
Why
invaded
should the
India?
Congress
You are
government
talking
repeat
of
the
Farida, Zakira. You are talking of Farida Zakira.
Mohanji,
How many
I
lakhs
know.
and crores of Hindus have been killed by Muslims then? We are not talking of that. Why are you bringing Modi
oh
as
my God,
communalized?
please.
Please,
Sir,
please, Razak, listen.
Sir, close
Your
to
time to
elections.
listen.
Let
Your
us
time to
not
listen.
play politics on
You have
dead
made
bodies.
India to be
Let us
slave
talk
of
about
God.
what we have done
We
in
are
past
not
10
ready
years.
today.
Let us talk
Understand
about
that.
what we will do in the next 5 years. Let us spare the dead bodies. Let us spare the
Okay,
dead bodies.
You have also.
Let us
you
do
have also
elections
killed
like this.
people.
What
You
have
also
we done in the
killed people
past 10
India.
years? What
You have
will
also
we do in
killed
the
people
next
in
5
India.
years? Why
You
have
have
you nothing
invaded
to
India.
speak?
You Muslims have invaded India. This is Hindus have not invaded any Muslim countries. Can you give me a simple example? One example.
Sir, please.
How many
let
Hindus,
us
how
talk
many
about
Muslims have been
elections
killed
of
by
state,
Hindus?
About
Can you
invaders,
tell me?
Mughals, let
Can
us
you give a
debate after
statistic?
June 4.
Can you give a statistic?
I
Only
ask
keep
you,
You're talking so
am
much
I,
about
you know,
Muslims.
am I
People
wrong in
will
assuming,
not vote
Razak, 1 minute,
First
am I
two
wrong in
phases
assuming,
you have lost
Madhurao is
miserably.
on the debate right now with Razak. See, Razak, 10,000 crores minority funds, very happy to talk about. 100 crore for development of the
We did
Muslim
not
Waqf
get
board.
even
Waqf board.
1%.
Am I asking you to speak over me? Very happy to talk about it. Right? Ban on Bajrang Dal before the Karnataka elections. Very happy to talk about it. Muslim reservations. Very happy to talk about it. Interrogating Fayaz's parents or going into details of the allegations of love jihad in the killing of Neha Hiremat. Finger on the lips. Why? I'm going to compare this approach and I find this a duplicitous approach.
I am not saying that.
No, I don't know what you're saying or not saying. I'm giving
we know
examples
there is
and I
nothing
find a
to-
hypocrisy in that.
The parents have
Arnab,
nothing
I
to
only
do
see,
with their
I
son.
only see
It is
that
very
this is
clear
a
and
larger
it is
plot
out.
by the Congress party. If you can see their manifesto, I would like to repeat again that it is nothing but an anti-majoritarianism manifesto. I mean, we have not told it; it is there, every evident which is from the manifesto. So therefore, this attitude of anti-majoritarianism, we never brought it. It is actually mentioned and printed by the Congress party manifesto. So all these things brings doubt.
You should come
Obviously,
out of the
for various reasons, they are not doing
mindset,
it.
Respect the constitution and talk justice.
Who are you?
should come out of
Constitution,
this
you don't even believe in
majoritarian
courts.
mindset.
You don't even
You
believe in
should
High Court. You don't believe in
understand the
Supreme Court.
Constitution.
And we should
This
learn
is a
Constitution from you, oh
secular
God's
nation.
sake, please.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am
Every
closing it at
get
this point.
equal rights. We should talk about
I wish
equal
the
rights.
Congress party speaks up on the Neha Hiremat case, and I hope the BJP speaks up in the case of what Devegowda's grandson, Prajwal Revanna, has been accused of. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't be selective, not on Republic.